Mona come chop. The rice is very nice. Guys, this is the fried rice. I'm enjoying it. Come and eat with me. Miracle, no dey tire Jesus. Wait, be like say onions don enter my eye. If not that I love cooking, I would have been a gospel singer because my voice is just like miracle, no dey tire Jesus. Let me wash my hands. So you know that hand washing in this kitchen is the cocoa. I would have been a gospel singer if not that I really love cooking. Anyway, let me not be a jack of all trades, master of none. Let me stick to my cooking, Jare. Hello guys, welcome to Lady O's kitchen. Today we are going to cook our delicious fried rice. You guys know that I'm a true Nigerian, a traditional woman from Nigeria. And you know that in Nigeria, when you attend any occasion or function, if they serve you with fried rice, you know that you are one of the VIPs. If not, they will give you that their normal jollof, Nigerian jollof rice. So today we are going to cook fried rice. Don't worry, I'm going to teach you guys how to cook your own delicious fried rice so that if you attend any function and you are not being served with fried rice, you just don't worry about their fried rice. You just get to your house, start cooking your own delicious fried rice. Welcome to Lady O's kitchen once again. Here I have my rice. I think this is just like the traditional Nigerian rice. I have my rice, I have my onions, butter, my chicken stock, my mixed vegetable. Thank God for all these companies. They make life easy. They just mix it. If this two is not enough, I'm going to use more. I have them a lot in my freezer. Do I really need a lot of seasoning agent? Okay, let me just go with no cube. I don't think I'll really need all of this because when I was baking my chicken, I used a lot of them. So they are all incorporated in my chicken stock, which I'm going to use to cook the fried rice. So let me start by washing my rice. And from washing my rice, I had already put my water boiling because I'm going to pour this rice into my boiling water. They say what God cannot do does not exist. I have to wash my rice to remove some of the starch. Even though I may not be able to remove all the starch, at least to reduce it, because the starch is always too much. And then when my water boils, I will pour in the rice and parboil it and still drain it. You know, when Lady O is cooking, she will always add her own twist to the cooking. I can also use this to drain my rice to make life easy. That's it. Let's wait for the water to boil. Guys, you know that I love lots of onions. This is where I will add my own twist to this fried rice. And I'll also use butter instead of vegetable oil. You know, Lady O always add her own twist to her own cooking. So I have to be careful of my fingers. Alright, rinse my hands. So yep, it seems my water is boiling. Yeah, it's boiling. I'll pour in my rice. My spatula. Also separate it. And then I'll cover it up and allow it to boil. Yeah, let's wait for the rice to be ready. Okay guys, let's check on the rice. Yeah, it's parboiled. I still have to drain it because I don't really like too much of starch in my rice. I know some people may say that we are draining out the vitamins and minerals. I just feel that I'm draining out the too much starch or carbohydrate from it. Let it sit right here while I will proceed to fry my onions. Guys, listen, this is my chicken stock with lots of fat, chicken fat. Remember when I was baking my chicken, I told you guys I don't normally remove the fat from my chicken while baking it. So this is the fat, so I'm going to use it to fry my onions and cook my fried rice. It will add a very good taste to my fried rice. While I will drain the stock, I have to drain this stock because I don't need the particles in my fried rice. I stored it in the freezer, so let me microwave it so that it will defrost, so that I will be able to drain it. I'm multitasking in this kitchen. So I will pour the rice into this pot. Then when the stock is ready, I'll drain the stock into the rice and cook it and add other ingredients. Oh, let's not forget, oh my god, curry powder is the cocoa ingredient in this fried rice, because this is what will give it the yellow color of the fried rice. So curry powder, it is the cocoa ingredient, the main, when I say the cocoa, that is Nigerian slang, that is the main ingredient. So I'll pour in my onions, cover it up for a while and allow it to simmer. All right guys, let me check on the chicken stock to see. Yeah, that's the frost. So I have to drain it because I don't need the particles. You know, when I was baking this chicken, I really used lots of seasoning agents like rosemary, thyme, Italian seasoning, garlic, and all those bogo tigo. So I don't need them. I don't need all the particles in my fried rice. So that's why I'm draining it. Okay. Still be used. I will then pour this into my rice as desired. All right, then I will add my salt and my seasoning agent and the curry powder for the color. You can use any kind of seasoning agent as desired. Just do you in your own kitchen and cook to your own taste. Cook to your taste. Curry powder will go in for the color. To give it the yellow color. I will taste for salt. Nice. You see, the chicken stock and the seasoning agent has already given it a very nice taste. So let me put this back where it belongs. Then I'll cover up my pot and allow the rice to cook Then back to my onions. Yeah, I'll add my salt to taste, not too much salt. I'll also add my vegetables, my mixed vegetable. Okay, let me add a little bit of butter. Since I use a chicken fat, let me just add a little bit of butter. You can never go wrong with butter. It's fried rice anyway. I need the taste of the butter and the taste of the chicken fat to incorporate to give you a very nice taste, flavor, and aroma. Then I will add my mixed vegetable as desired. Lots of vegetable. We are going to make it healthy, so we need lots of vegetable. It's looking good already. Look at it. Oh my God. The fried rice is coming up. It's looking good already. Guys, now the fried rice where people they take do you nyanga where you go party. Now be this so. Nothing there inside pass this one oh, when you hear fried rice. Where people go they take they do nyanga for party or any occasion where you go. Learn to cook your own fried rice so that if you attend any party, nobody go do nyanga for you. Cover it up and allow it to simmer. We are not going to overcook the vegetable. You know, you don't have to overcook any of your vegetables. Yeah, it's okay, it's ready. We are not overcooking it. It's looking good. Let me taste for salt, which is the most important thing. Nice. Yeah, let me turn off the heat while we wait for the rice. I'm not going to cover it because if I cover it, it will continue cooking. I don't want it to continue cooking. I don't want the color to change. I don't want it to be overcooked. So let's wait. Yeah. Yes, the rice is ready. So we are about transferring. Let me turn this heat on because it was off. Yeah. So look at the color. Just look at the fried rice color. Now we are going to transfer the quantity as needed into our mixed vegetable. Guys, this is Lady O's way of cooking her own fried rice. Different people have different ways of cooking. There is no one way to cooking. You have different ways of cooking. It will still come out. So the same fried rice or whatever you intend to cook. So I will stir it. You may have your own way of cooking whatever you want to cook, or your own fried rice. This is Lady O's way of cooking her own fried rice. Is it not looking good? Looking so good. Okay. I will mix it properly and allow it to simmer. I will lower my heat and my fried rice is ready to be served and to be enjoyed. It's looking good. Let me also taste for salt and other ingredients. Very nice. The curry, other ingredients, everything is just perfect. I'll lower my heat, cover it up, allow it to simmer. Okay guys, the fried rice is ready and I'm turning off my heat. Look at how gorgeous, how beautiful. Guys, now the fried rice be this. So I believe that as from this day, if you go to any party and you are not being served with fried rice, you will just gently get back to your home and start cooking your own fried rice. Thank you for watching. Please continue to share, like, subscribe, watch more, circulate, watch more. Watch out for more delicious meals from Lady O's Kitchen.